This is a typical question on a word problem involving speed and asking you to form a quadratic equation. Okay, before we start, always know the concept. The concept is, if I take if I am slower, means I take a longer time. Always use the longer time minus the shorter time equals to the difference in timing. Use this and you will never go wrong. Okay. James and Tom started a 120-kilometer journey by traveling at X kilometer per hour first. After 45 minutes, James increases his speed by 10 km per hour and traveled the rest of the journey at the same speed. Tom traveled at the same speed throughout. Okay? Now, this kind of question, usually they will lead you, but if they never lead you, you can do it yourself. First, find out what is the time taken by James. Time by James is equals to, so first, he traveled 120 kilometer after 45 kilometers. So for the first 45 kilometers, he traveled X kilometer per hour. Then the rest of them, which is 75, okay, he traveled at X plus 10. Okay, so this is the total time taken by James. Write it down first, even though they never tell you to. Time by Tom. Tom consistently traveled at 120 X kilometer per hour for this 120 kilometer. Okay, James finishes his journey 20 minutes earlier. Okay, this is the trick part. Now, because James increased his speed, who will take a longer time? Tom will take a longer time. So this would be 120 over X minus bracket 45 over X. This is their difference in timing. Okay, because Tom will take a longer time. How much longer? Most students write 20, and that is the mistake, and then they cannot find the equation because this is in minutes. You are doing kilometer per hour. You need to have over 60. Okay, and then this will be 120 over X minus 45 over X minus 75 over X plus 10. Okay, and that is equals to 1/3. The left side, let's make a common denominator. 120 minus 45, and that would be 75 over X minus 75 over X plus 10 equals to 1/3. 75 bracket X plus 10. Let's make a common denominator equals to 1/3. And then from here we have 10, okay, or rather 750, okay, over X squared plus 10X equals to 1/3. Cross multiply, and then I will get X squared plus 10X minus 2250 equals to 0. Okay, so the important part is when it is 20 minutes, always make sure you have an over 60. Once you get the equation, your job is almost done already. Okay, at this point of time, you can go to use your mode 33 or your mode 522 to find out what's the answer first. So you realize that it's going to be a decimal answer. So if it's a decimal answer, then we're going to use your quadratic formula. So A is 1, B is 10, C is negative 2250, negative 10 plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A, and that would give you 42.6969 or negative 52.69. Okay, 6 approximate to 42.7 or negative 52.7. Now because X have to be positive, your speed have to be positive, okay, we reject the negative one. So the time taken will be equals to 45 over, when you divide, you cannot divide by the final answer, you must divide by the raw value. at least have 4 decimal place, 6969, okay, plus 75 over 42.6969 plus 10, and then this, okay, is equals to, you can use your one to go back to the original place. 45 over 42.69, okay, then plus 75 over 42.6969 plus 10, okay, because this is going to be the time. So it will be 2.477 hour, 2.477 hour. Now if you want to leave, you are supposed to leave it in minutes. Look at this button over here that's beside here. You press this, you get the answer. It's 2 hour 28. Okay, make sure you don't make the mistakes for questions like this, okay, because it can be worth quite a lot of marks.